Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to have multiple pop-up windows on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can basically multitask like a pro by running several apps in floating windows, just like desktop tabs. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So here we'll go ahead and first open up all these apps. So as you can see in my task switcher, I've got all these apps open. So in order to turn on the real multitasking on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you want to go ahead and select the app and then go ahead and tap on pop-up view. And once it's popped up, we'll go ahead and minimize this. So this has now minimized. So as you can see, this is the icon. We'll go ahead and do this for a few more apps. So now as you can see, I've opened up 3 apps, and if I tap on the icon here at the bottom right, I'll see these 3 apps. So I can go ahead and tap on any of them to open it, and I can basically multitask on the go. So each time I open it, I basically maximize it, and then I can go ahead and minimize it again. I can go ahead and put this here, and go ahead and put YouTube just there. I can go ahead and put the next app here. So now I can go ahead and multitask and switch between these 3 apps in a flash. So you can use YouTube, Messages, and Chrome at the same time. So it's great for productivity, side-by-side comparisons, or managing multiple tasks on the go. So there you go, guys. That is how to have multiple pop-up windows on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.